Hi everyone and welcome to this week's video. I just want to say first of all, it's a really strange weird time and I just wanted to make this video to not only take you guys along with me on this very chilled Saturday afternoon, but also to give you guys some inspiration on what you can do for yourself. I basically fully took this idea from one of my favourite current YouTubers, Emma's Rectangle. I will leave her self-care video in the description box below if you want to see that. It is very professionally filmed, but my video is going to be a vlog style self-care video because I don't want to worry about camera angles and stuff like that. I just want to fully chill and relax, but just kind of vlog the process at the same time. So it is currently 2:45 on Saturday afternoon on the 17th of October, and I'm about to settle down into a good old self-care afternoon / evening. And I started the day with a self-care makeup routine, kind of to make myself feel a bit better. I haven't worn makeup properly since I filmed my last video, which was about 2 weeks ago, which is kind of shocking. And I also did my workout. I do half an hour full body workouts now. Look at me, I glowed up in my exercises since I last vlogged, and yeah, it just made me feel really good. I am comfortably and happily tired right now because it was a full-on high intensity, basically a half an hour hit, and yeah, I'm still feeling quite tired from the morning. I've started my self-care afternoon with a cup of tea. Yes, I drink a lot of tea now, and cheeky adult truffle cakes with a bit of rum inside because they're my favourite, and I first had them for Christmas from my aunt and I'm actually addicted. So yes. This afternoon's plan is to do my nails. I do have some leftover impressed nails from last year, so I'm gonna pop these on my nails. I've just taken my nail varnish off before filming. I'm gonna have a Lush bath. I'm gonna show you my favourite Lush face mask, and we're just gonna chill, put on some music, light some candles, read some books. So self-care, like Emma said in her video, doesn't have to be physical face masks and baths. It's how whatever you do makes you feel at the end of it or during it. So it could be anything from, like she said, reading a book, doing some exercise, having a bath, baking, things like that. So yeah, so enough rambling on. This introduction's been long enough, and I'm just gonna get on doing my nails. Cheeky truffle. Nails are now done. Sorry for the really bad camera angle, but I got too into doing my nails, so I wasn't concentrating on whether you could see me doing my nails or not. But these are literally just press-on nails, literally no glue needed. I'm so happy with how they look. They look so cool. Looks like I just got them done as well. I did press down really hard, so hopefully, fingers crossed, they will last at least 2 days. I might spend the next half an hour reading as part of my self-care afternoon, and let me show you what I'm reading. So I've been reading Stephen King's The Institute, and it is so good. It is actually about kids being abducted for telekinetic and telepathic powers into a secret lab, and they get tested, and there's one boy it revolves around who's super smart, and I think things are piecing together for him right now and he's realizing things, so that is super exciting and I can't wait to read more. You know when it's autumn, when it's literally like 4:30 and you need the light on, and excuse the humming because it is this humidifier extractor fan kind of thing and sucking the moisture in the room. And I'm gonna take my makeup off now before my parents have to get in the bathroom, and then I'm gonna run my bath. So I'm just gonna use the simple Dual Effect eye makeup remover. Once taking my makeup off, I'm gonna wait a bit and then I'm gonna put my face mask on. So I'm not gonna do it just yet because I do want to have it on while I'm in the bath, because it is a really nice strong scented product and is one of my favorites to use while actually in the bath. And I love this eye makeup remover because it literally takes it off just like that, and you can see how dead I look underneath my makeup. Literally, I am a catfish because I look at the difference. Look at that. Yeah, shocking, absolutely shocking. I'm actually going to use my favourite lash cleanser, which is Ultra Plant. It is a vegan version of Ultra Bland, basically, and it's literally consisting of jojoba oil, sunflower wax, agave nectar, and candida wax, and it's literally alternative to the honey and beeswax, and it's literally just like this. So literally take a bit and massage it into your face. And then I'm just gonna soak a cotton pad or face flannel and wipe it off. Literally melts off the makeup and makes your skin feel so soft. My favourite ever product at the moment to remove makeup. You can tell how unprofessional I'm being with filming, so I've just got a lid right here. Who remembers back in the old days, 2015, when I was doing pamper routine all the time with the same shot of me like up close with my towel. Those were the days, guys. To make the angle more interesting, I put you on a ledge, but tonight I'll be using Snow Fairy Wonderful Bath Bomb, and yes, I'll be using all of it, even though it's technically a free product bath. So you've got the top bit, the bottom bit, and then some like bubble mix inside, which is so perfectly pink. Smells so good, so sweet. If you love Snow Fairy, I really recommend getting this. And also, to fit in with the self-care slash kind of like spa kind of pamper evening, I got some IKEA slippers which look like spa slippers, and these are literally like £2.50 and they're quite thin cotton, so they remind me of like spa hotel slippers that are quite thin and white. So I've never worn these, so I'm going to wear these for the first time tonight for my pamper evening. And I've got my pyjamas, I've got my Grinch ones. Yes, I'm wearing Christmas pyjamas in October, but it's really cozy and warm, so perfect for the chilly evenings. So yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, so before I hop in the bath, I'm going to show you guys my favourite current face mask. It is Lush's Beauty Sleep and it is brand new. It's literally got a spoonful of gorgeous facial moisturiser. If you've not used that from Lush, it is very bougie and it literally looks like raspberry yogurt and it is glorious. It's such a really nice, strong, relaxing scent. So it kind of reminds me of a really nice spa treatment, like a moisturizing face mask you get in a spa as well. I love it. I'm gonna slap that all over my face because it's so good. But it's so nice and soothing as well. It helps to tone the skin and yeah. It's also antibacterial as well, which is amazing. I'm gonna leave that to sink in. It doesn't say how long. I just leave it on for how long I'm in the bath. But this is kind of like one of my last steps of my self-care afternoon / evening, and I'm just very excited to sit in the bath, read my book again, and just relax. So I'll catch you guys when I'm finished. Hello, I'm now out of the bath. It was so relaxing and I did have a headache. I still kind of do have a headache, but I think the face mask as relaxing the bath actually has kind of helped to ease it off a bit. I'm gonna finish off the evening with a bit of skincare. So after I've washed off my face mask, I'm going to be using a tea tree toner water, which is an antibacterial, and I'm just going to spray it directly into my face. And it just helps to tone the skin, close and tighten the pores, and help with spots, which is the main thing why I use it, and I've been using it for a good few years. I'm also using an under eye serum from Revolution Skincare. So it's got 5% caffeine solution and hyaluronic acid. So it's supposed to help brighten the under eyes. I don't see a difference. Also, it's very bad lighting in here, so my under eyes are darker than what they usually are, but I still look dead anyway, as you saw. And I just put it directly on my under eye. Now that's kind of sinking in, I'm actually gonna open up my filigree serum bar, which is from Lush, and it is basically like a solid moisturizer, and I've had this on my shelf for a good couple months and I haven't even used it yet. So I'm gonna warm it in my hand. This one we use in the spa, which adds to my pamper evening, and just massage it all over my face. It makes my skin look quite shiny and glowing, as they say. I put that on my neck. I just realised I gotta wash my hands. Crap. I might as well end this video here and then I'm gonna go and wash my hands. So that is like my pamper evening, self-care Saturday afternoon kind of thing and all that jazz, as they say. So this evening I'm going to have a family takeaway, which is going to be a nice end to my evening. Then I'm going to get some rest and sleep, probably read more of a book, and then I'm up again for work tomorrow. So hope you guys enjoyed this self-care video. You got inspiration for what you want to do yourself, especially during this, like I said, this pandemic, this crazy time. I've been stressed, anxious, fed up. I've been there and I'm still there, but I'm trying to make these kind of afternoons a thing to make myself feel better. But anyway, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and click notification button below to get updates when I next upload a video. And the coming videos are going to be about books and the next Lush Kitchen subscription box. So look forward to that, and I'm going to wash my hands. So I will see you very soon. Goodbye.